In this video, we will talk about the preparation tips for D-NWG-FN-23 Dell Networking Foundations exam and share online practice exam questions to test. Four tips to best prepare for D-NWG-FN-23 exam. To start your exam preparation, you should first know Dell Networking Foundations, D-NWG-FN-23, exam overview. It has 7 topics contained in the D-NWG-FN-23 exam. You should understand thoroughly for each. Study online D-NWG-FN-23 practice exam Q&As from CERT 007. Question 1. At which layer of the OSI model is the rapid spanning tree protocol used to prevent switching loops? A. Physical. B. Network. C. Data link. D. Transport. Question 2. Which parameter is required to match an OSPF adjacency to form? A. IP addresses. B. Area ID. C. Switch models. D. Switch firmware version. Question 3. What is the FCS field used for in an Ethernet frame? A. Redirect ICMP messages back to the originator. B. Ensure the frame was not corrupted during transmission. C. Resolve ARP requests. D. Look up the destination address. Question 4. A Dell EMC networking N-series switch is configured on a port channel with LACP using the interfaces TE1, 0/1 and TE1, 0/2. How is the egress traffic distributed among the interfaces? A. Traffic overflow will be sent to the second interface. B. Interfaces will be used in active, passive. C. Load balanced per packet using round robin. D. Load balanced using a hash function. Question 5. What accurately describes the Simple Network Time Protocol, SNTP? A. Time synchronization algorithms are more complex and account for clock drift. B. Implemented on a Dell EMC network OS 9 and OS 10. C. SNTP devices can act as both clients and servers. D. Client makes sudden changes to adjust the time. Question 6. What action needs to be performed to enable SSH on a new switch? A. Enable web services. B. Create a key pair using the crypto commands. C. Update the switch to the latest firmware. D. Disable telnet access. Question 7. What accurately describes the Network Time Protocol, NTP? A. Implemented on a Dell EMC network OS 6. B. Time synchronization algorithms do not account for clock drift. C. Client synchronizes among a set of distributed time servers. D. Client makes sudden changes in time to keep synchronized. Question 8. Which criteria is used to define an extended MAC ACL filter? A. Destination MAC address and Ethernet frame type. B. Ethernet frame type and frame size. C. Destination TCP port number and source MAC address. D. Source and destination MAC addresses. Question 9. What is a fundamental risk of the peer-to-peer network model? A. Adding peers generally decreases network throughput. B. Adding peers decreases the capacity for resource sharing. C. A single point of failure. D. Lack of solid security due to cross-peer resource sharing. Question 10. What is the purpose of the control plane in a router? A. Determine where to forward incoming IP packets. B. Maintain the routing table. C. Carry user traffic for the router. D. Forward routed protocols for the router. Why choose CERT 007 study material for your preparation? Thank you for watching. To get more questions, visit https://www.cert007.com/